Hello, welcome to the third topic in the JSS1 scheme of work. The topic is H.C.F and L.C.M. Now, H.C.F as well as L.C.M is what we know as acronym. Now, an acronym is such where individual letters that start up a word are used to form that kind of a word. Like when we say H.C.F, what does this mean? H.C.F means highest common factor, while LCM is an acronym that means lowest common multiple. So whenever you see HCF, we are talking about the highest common factor, and LCM means lowest common multiples. Now, in this topic, we would learn how to define factors, be able to obtain factors of a given whole number, express a given whole number as a product of its prime factors, find the HCF of two whole numbers, find the HCF of three or more whole numbers, define multiples, obtain the multiples of a given whole number, find the LCM of two whole numbers, find the LCM of three or more whole numbers, and solve further problems on HCF and LCM. By the end of this topic, you should be able to solve multiple problems on these itemized objectives. Thank you.